So that's how it's supposed to be done.
Did you take lots of practice to go that way?
Yeah. No, not really.
Here's better coordination.
Do you want a helmet?
I got full coordination. Does it go all the way down, Jake, when I said, Jake, walk me back. Does it go all the way down?
You're very brave, I'll give you that much.
Well, we already terminated that.
Jacob, I'll beat you.
Is that yummy, honey? Yummy ice cream? Look at Daddy, look what Daddy's doing.
Oh, yeah.
Is Daddy being funny?
Whoa!
Oh, you want to go?
Yeah, I got 3 and Jacob got 2.
Hi, sweetie.
Oh, yeah.
What's your daddy doing?
No, I'm done. I'm done.
You don't want a break or something? Yeah. I love you.
Take a pic from me.
I am. I'm taking a video of you. Is that yummy ice cream? Are you having fun at Zoya's birthday party? Are you dancing? Oh yeah, can you dance for us?
No, it's lipstick in my butt.
Go tell Daddy what you were doing. No? Go tell Daddy what you said. What were you shaking this winter?
Were you shaking your butt?
Oh, she's all embarrassed now. Are you hiding now, silly? Let's go find brother.